Okay, so we have a bit of a problem with my current setup. I'm using a iPhone and it's great. The video quality is great and the audio quality is good. But when I'm recording, if I play it back on my phone, I can hear sort of hissing in the background. So I don't know if you can hear it. But we are looking to fix that problem today, or I'm looking to fix that problem today, because I've bought a Rode microphone. So it's not just a microphone, it's a vlogging kit, which means it comes with the microphone, comes with a stand, which is good because I've currently got a Joby Gorilla stand and it's really good to use. But sometimes it's hard to kind of get it straight because the legs bend in different ways. So sometimes I'm there like, just get it right. So it takes a bit of time, a bit of a pain. And this stand is more rigid. So it'd be easier to just plop it down and record. It's also folds in so I can hold it as a vlogging camera. Sorry, I'm like talking but making lots of noise. So here it is. It's also got a light, and the light has filters. There's a specific name for it. I can't remember what it is. We might have it on here. Diffuser, that's it. Yeah, it has a light diffuser. So here it is. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that. It comes with I think they call it a dead cat, which is wind protection. I think it's there we go, wind protection. Okay, so that's actually all in one piece. So there's the dead cat, this is the microphone. There it is, look. So the microphone clips into the lightning port. Sorry, my mind just keeps going blank today. So yeah, it goes straight into the lightning port and connects. I'm hoping it will work with my case. If it doesn't, it means I'm gonna have to take my case off, which is fine. But yeah, it's also got a 3.5mm insert. So I guess I could also plug it in that way if I get the dongles, love a dongle. Plug it in there and then yeah, it'll work that way as well, which is really cool. It's nice to see. You can register for warranty. We have the light, which I don't know if it works straight away. Might need to. Oh, it's a USB-C charger, so might need to charge it. Yeah, I think I do. Okay, so charge via USB-C. What is this piece? This is the phone holder, which is very nice. It's like a metal. Well, it's really well built, quite hefty, which is nice. And we've got probably diffusers in here. Diffusers and colors. So there's actual light colors as well, so you can change the mood of your filming. Oh, that's the, yeah, so that holds the diffuser in, or the lights. So you got like white, red, blue, yellowish, orange, green, red, and a darker green. It's really cool. That's nice to see. So yeah, I'll give that a test at some point. Nice, nice, nice. And then we've got the actual mount. Get it out. Here we go. So there's the actual mount part. So that goes up there. Mount your phone on here. Legs pull out. Oh, that feels, yeah, it feels really good. So you can split them out quite low if you need it low. You can also twist this. I know most of this because I've been looking it up on online. There's something you can twist. I'm sure of it. There's a... How do I... There we go. So you twist this little ring and then they stand a little higher, which is cool. It's good to see. So twist that. Oh, there's a click. So that's really low. Twist. There we go, look. Cool. So that's nice. Really good. So yeah, I'm gonna get this set up and we'll give it a little test. So speak to you guys in a second. And I'm using my little button look to start and stop video recordings. It's all coming together. Okay, so hopefully this sounds good with the new microphone plugged in and there's no sort of hissing in the background, but we'll see once I've edited the video and put it on YouTube. Also, hopefully it now looks good with this light. I'm testing it. I don't know if it looks good or bad, but again, we will see. As long as you guys can hear me, then it's all good. So I've taken this little piece off that was on the microphone. Basically that was stopping me from plugging in the microphone with my case on, so I had to take that off, and now it plugs straight in with my case still on, which is cool because I want to keep my case on. The actual stand is really nice. It's so easy to kind of just put down anywhere and not have to worry about angles and whether it's right or not. So that's all good. It's really well built, really sturdy. So overall this is a really good vlogging kit for your iPhone. So I would definitely recommend, if you're kind of looking to upgrade your iPhone video kit, as you will. If you can hear anything in the background, that's because of my wife currently cooking, because we're in a 1-bedroom flat, so it's all very close. But yeah, we are also moving, which I will talk more about in another video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe if you want to watch more, because there's going to be lots of great stuff coming soon and I'm very excited to sort of show you guys. So peace out and I'll see you in the next one.